Hello, my name is Devin. I also go by Infinite or Proud by Infinite if you're watching this on Instagram. That's my handle. Gotta throw a little plug in there real quick. But stop messing around. We're gonna talk about beat block today. Happens to everyone. Whether if you're down here, right here, up here, like literally any level, you're gonna get beat block at some point. Since we're dealing with a creative business, it's just inevitable that you kind of just like don't feel as creative some days. So if you do find yourself in this situation, here's a couple things that you could do. Number one, what you can do is just literally stop. Just stop. That's it. Just go take a break, get up, walk out, get some sun, go get coffee, do something like that. And I would recommend getting like some sunshine and actually like leaving the house or the studio or wherever you go make music, but literally just stopping, taking a break, and just like letting yourself reset and disconnect from actually making music can be so beneficial for you. Just because once you get that reset, you come back, it's just like you started all over again, and then you're coming with a clean slate. Number two can be just find things that are very inspiring to you. There's a lot of people who are putting out content that is just inspiration for days and hours and months and things like that, bro. You can go to Gary Vee, you can go to illmind, you can go to Kato the producer, or Kato the producer? No, it's Kato on the track. Kato on the track. There's literally so many people that you can go watch that will help inspire you. And I don't know about you guys, but when I watch people who are doing things that I want to do and are in different places in life that I wish I could be in, it makes me want to work harder. Therefore, it helps me be more creative and makes me like push harder to get to where I want to be. Number three is to listen to music that you want to make. So it does kind of tie into what number two was when it comes to inspiration and seeing people that what they're doing, you want to do it too. Sometimes just listening to the music that you want to make, you can just draw influences, not copy, don't steal. We ain't about that here. But but you can listen to it and take influence from there and just kind of like be able to take that and just do into your own thing. And then with that, you can also just do sampling. Like sampling helps out so much because you have a fresh start with something already, so it's easier to create when you already have something in front of you. Those are my tips for helping beat block. I hope it helped you. If it did, hit a like, throw a comment down, throw a comment down. Yeah, I was gonna do that all the time. Just what? Huh? What? All right, peace out. Thank you.